What up? It's your boy, man, Paul, back on another video, guys. I hope everybody's good, man. I hope everybody's good, guys. I hope everybody's in good health. I hope everybody's having a blessed day, man. I hope everybody is having a good life, guys. Um, yeah, man. Last week was nice, Last week was nice, bro. Like I took a lot of trades, bro. There was a lot of psychology. The market was moving weird. I don't know if maybe it was me or it was just the market, bro. Last week wasn't nice at all. So, guys, I'm gonna, I have figured a lot of things about myself, past week, and then yeah, man, throughout this weekend, I've been back testing, looking at the markets, building up that confidence that I had, like those things, man, like bringing back my power, bro, like bringing back the energy, the positive energy, so that the coming week, I come with a different approach. Let me not just say different, like the approach that I've always been, bringing into the markets, back in the day when I was winning, So yeah, man, the market has been weird. So this coming week, we're pushing again, guys. We're pushing again. So yeah, man, my account here is still breathing. Yes, I lost 3% last week. Let me not say last week, this week. So it wasn't nice. So in this coming week, bro, I am gonna do my out best that I make back that 3% that I lost, and then hopefully pass in phase one. So yeah, man, this coming week we are pushing, guys. We're coming with a different energy. We're coming with a lot of confident, like we're gonna be killing the markets. So work with me in this video, guys, as I'm gonna be analyzing, looking at the markets and see what are the possibilities that we are going to be looking at. So yeah, man, yeah, my account is still breathing. I lost 3%. So this coming week I am gonna be making this 3% back and hopefully passing my phase one. So yeah, man, we're just gonna be waiting and see what the market has for us. So as always, positive mindset, guys, discipline, don't break your rules, follow your rules and be patient, guys, which is the most important thing. So let's head over to the next clip, guys, as I look at the markets. Let's go.
Okay, guys, let's firstly look at Nasdaq, man. Let's just firstly look at US 100, and see what's gonna happen coming next week. So yeah, man, guys, I am going to be dropping videos like this, mostly on Mondays. So I am gonna be dropping these type of videos. So yeah, man, where we look at the market, seeing what's gonna happen coming next week. What are we gonna be looking for? Are we gonna be looking for sells? Are we gonna be looking for buys? Yeah, those sort of things. So let's just start off by looking at Nasdaq, and as you guys can see, we are on a daily chart. Let's just firstly mark out our level of support right here. As you guys can see, this is our level of support, and we are going to be looking for our level of resistance right there. So you guys can see, so this is how it's looking. So yeah, man, this is how Nasdaq is looking. As you guys can see, Nasdaq is on an uptrend. Is it gonna come and touch this resistance? Let's just shrink to lower time frame and find out. But we are going to be looking for more buys, because Nasdaq has been buying previous weeks. So let's head over to 4-hour time frame, and then this is how Nasdaq is looking. And as you guys can see, Nasdaq formed this double top right there. So let's just look at where Nasdaq is gonna be giving us, where we're gonna be wanna take a sell. So let's just mark out this resistance. This is our next level that we're gonna be looking at it, paying attention to it. So yeah, let's just mark out this resistance right there. So yeah, this is our attention. This is the attention we're gonna be giving. If Nasdaq comes to this level, we are going to be looking for opportunities to take. So yeah, man, Nasdaq has been buying, and you guys can see right there, Nasdaq went over to break this level right here, something like that. And let me just do this. Nasdaq broke this resistance and is currently retesting it, now becoming a support. So you're gonna continue with the buys. We're gonna be looking at it coming next week. um yeah, man, Nasdaq has been going up. So we are gonna be paying, a full attention on Nasdaq. We are gonna be looking at Nasdaq often, on a daily basis coming next week, man. Because I tried, I was more focused on GBP USD and GBP AUD, and things didn't, work out. So I am gonna be, leaving these pairs play out, but I am gonna analyze it with you guys. So for now, let's just look at Nasdaq, and as you guys can see, Nasdaq went and retest this level right here, this zone, this resistance right here, retested it, now going up. So it's currently on the same situation as you guys can see. So Nasdaq broke this resistance, going up, coming back to retest this resistance. Now it's looking to take buys coming next week. So yeah, man, this is how it's looking on a 30-minute time frame, as you guys can see. And then as always, let us separate ourselves from Monday. So here's my chat on what's gonna happen, or what I'm seeing is gonna happen coming next week, or what are the potential levels that I'm gonna be looking at to anticipate trades. So here's what I'm thinking that I'm gonna wanna do if the market does this. So you guys can see I'm on a 30-minute time frame. So I am going to be looking at Nasdaq like this. If Nasdaq comes and retests this zone again, I am going to be taking buys, looking for it to go and touch this zone. You guys know where this zone comes from, right? So this is where the zone is coming from. Yeah, this is the next level of resistance is gonna wanna go to. So once Nasdaq goes to that, that level, we are gonna be taking sales. I'm not gonna lie to you, I am gonna be taking sales once Nasdaq comes to that zone. I am gonna be looking to take sales. What I'm gonna wanna do is Nasdaq comes to this zone, and I'm gonna be selling Nasdaq. I am going to be selling Nasdaq. So yeah, man, if it comes back to retest the zone, I am gonna be taking buys, and this is gonna be my stop loss right there. I am going to be risking I'm gonna risk 1.5% this time. I'm not gonna be risking 1%, 1.5%, and then if it goes straight to that zone without it retesting, I am gonna be targeting sales right there. So yeah, man, this is basically how I'm looking at Nasdaq next week. So if it does not do what I've want it to do, I am going to be looking for more opportunity. I am going to be looking at it very closely, because if it goes down to the it brings this zone, I am going to be targeting it right here, because this is a level of sensitivity right there. Or if it goes beyond, I am going to be looking at it right here, because this is a level of sensitivity. You guys can see right there, this is a support level right there. Yeah, so these are the zones, major zones, that I am going to be looking at Nasdaq to anticipate my trades. So yeah, this is basically how I'm looking at Nasdaq coming next week. This is how I'm approaching Nasdaq coming next week, guys. It's nothing fancy. It's just simply break out and retest, taking trades on major zones. So yeah, man, so I am gonna be looking at Nasdaq, and I am also going to be looking at gold. So gold is doing, gold has been moving nicely. I'm not gonna lie, bro, like I've missed a lot of trades last week. Let me not just say last week, this week I've missed a lot of trades, bro, like trades that are just simple to track, bro, like trades that are really easy to just see, bro. Like you don't need to complicate things, you just have to see, bro. Nasdaq, gold is currently on a major zone, bro. Like this is where you take your trade, so focusing a lot on GBP, USD and AUD, bro, has made me miss a lot of trades on gold. So yeah, man, and proper trades, bro. So as usual, guys, we're gonna be marking our line right there on this resistance zone and the support, and we are going to be, so this is how it's looking, and then our breakout break of structure right here. Okay, and yeah, this is how it's looking. So Nasdaq, you know, Nasdaq, why am I saying Nasdaq? Gold did this, you know, head and shoulder pattern, and then went up, didn't come and retest. So, and it also went as far as to break this resistance right here, right there. So let's head over to 4-hour chart and look at it closely. Okay, okay, so this is how it's looking. So I am gonna be looking at Nasdaq and gold very closely this coming week, bro. Like I am gonna be paying full attention on it. So let's just mark out this resistance right here, because the market then rejected here countless time, and then yeah, I'm gonna draw it like this. So I am targeting gold going to that zone. If it does goes to that zone, we are going to be anticipating trades if it does come here for reals. So let's just mark out our break of structure right here, and break of structure right here. And then the market then has been respecting this zone right here, as you guys can see. So gold comes to this zone again, I am going to be anticipating buys on it. You see, guys, simple, man. Like keeping things simple, bro. Like you're not complicating things, bro. Like damn, bro. Like just make things easy for yourself, dog. There's nothing that is fancy here, man. Like just trading zones, bro. Like trading zones, break out of structure, like taking trades, bro, on those zones. You're gonna make a lot. So what I'm saying is, the reason why I wish that I could have just paid my full focus on gold last week was that gold was just so easy to track. It was so easy to see what it's really doing, bro. Like you just needed to be there, bro, and take trades. That's all, bro. Like you just needed to be there. So let me just separate myself from Monday as usual, and let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. The market then came on Tuesday, was playing around, it went up, came back down. I could have just tracked it here, because the market then broke out this resistance right there, it went up and came back to retest it. And even if I didn't see it at first sight, but for it to come back for the second time to retest it, bro, come on, man. How could I have not seen such a thing, bro? This is crazy. This is insane, bro. Like this is insane. And you guys can see the market went back to this resistance level and rejected on that level, taking going down with the sales, bro. And even if you had missed it here, it went down, you could have just be there, dog, and you're gonna enter again and see if it's gonna go down. And it did went down, bro. Like it did, dog. Like, and this is a major zone, bro. You could have seen that this is a sensitive zone. Like the market had been reacting on this zone. So is it gonna react? Yes, it did, and buy. And also it created this double bottom, which you could have just, bro, like I wish, you know what, I'm just gonna pay this, I'm just gonna give gold my 100% focus. I'm not gonna lie to you. Coming next week, I am going to give gold and Nasdaq my 100% full attention. So yeah, man, this is basically what I'm saying, what I've been been missing out last week. So this is how gold is looking. So what I am going to be looking at gold for me to do coming next week is, if gold comes to this zone right here, I am gonna be looking for buys. I am gonna take those buys, wanting it to come and to this zone again, and if it comes to this zone, I am going to be looking for sales. I am gonna be looking for sales, so I am gonna put my stop loss right there, and I'm gonna be targeting it to come back down. If it doesn't, it has to break, retest, and I'm gonna be targeting it with the buys going up, so that it can go to this zone right here. So yeah, man, this is how I'm looking at gold next week. this is how I am looking at gold next week, bro. Like, it's not this thing is not complicated, bro. Like, it's just trading zones, breakout of structure, capitalizing on them, bro. Capitalizing on them. So yeah, man, this is how I'm gonna be looking at gold and Nasdaq. So as for GBP AUD and GBP USD, I am not gonna be looking at it that much because they haven't been moving, bro. Like, look at this. What is this? What do you call this? What do you call this, bro? So GBP AUD, I'm gonna take a distance a little bit from it, and a GBP USD, bro, has been moving funny, but it is on a major zone. So if it actually comes back down, creating those breakout and retest, breakout and retest with a bearish movement, I am gonna be looking at it very, very closely. I am gonna be looking at it very, very closely. So yeah, man. Let me just analyze it. And as for GA, you guys saw, man, there's nothing there. There's nothing to look at. And let's just open it and see it. And then we're gonna mark out our level of support right here again, and our level of resistance right there. So these are the zones that I'm targeting GA to go to. But GA, man, it takes time to do that, though. It takes time to do that. It takes time to do that. So what I'm gonna be looking at GA is these zones right there. As you guys can see, GU, man, sorry, it's on a major zone. So what's gonna happen coming next week? If the market breaks out this resistance, then yeah, we are gonna be targeting it with more buys. Breaks out, retest, and then we are gonna be targeting it with the buys. So hoping for it to come to this level of resistance. So yeah, if it doesn't and it actually respect this resistance, I am gonna be looking at it to come and break out this level of support right here, creating those breakout, retest, breakout, retest, breakout, retest. You know how GBP USD moves, man. GBP USD, most of the time it moves like this. This is the reason why I love GBP USD. It's because of it moves mostly like this, and this is how I capitalize a lot out of it, moving like this. So it has been moving funny lately. So yeah, man, it has been moving funny, I'm not gonna lie. So I am gonna be I'm not gonna put my whole focus on GBP USD coming next week. I'm just gonna be looking at it there and there, but I'm not gonna be anticipating trades, because this week, it clapped me a lot, bro. Like, it clapped the hell out of me. Yeah, man. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to say something, you want to add something, bro, please, man, comment right there. I'm gonna be there to respond. Like this video if you like it. If you're new, man, you just seen my video right now. Yes, I am going to be posting such videos like this every Monday. I am going to be posting, looking at the markets, so yeah, man. If you're new, just you like this type of videos, subscribe, click that notification bell so that every time when I post, you guys can get notified. Yeah, man. Paul, and I'm signing out, guys. Peace. Don't even talk to me. They need no water me. I need it all for free.